The purpose of the Tufuga Tatau Health and Safety Workshop that was held on Tuesday the 25th of June was to bring together Tufuga Toso and others involved in the practice of traditional Tatau here in New Zealand to talk about health and safety, how to practice their work safely, and also, key messages for our community to raise awareness around the sorts of things that they need to do to prepare when they have a traditional tatau, what to do during, and also the aftercare.
Ora singa ruenga e tato tupunga e tato tatau. Ole nga ruenga le sa fai le wafe skulu ale tanga ruenga so mo maloloina. Sa ka fai la ko foi le fai ni guidelines, not ni guidelines. Ai le fa tu la fonoina.
One of the things about the 4 parts of the bylaws is the cleanliness of your workspace. So we'll start with that. So as you can see, there are some things here to keep your instruments clean, but also inside the place where you work, it's important as well. The main thing is that when you're going to buy equipment, that you have it serviced regularly. There's no point having equipment if you're not going to service it regularly because it's not going to work well. It is recommended that single use only, but if you're going to use single use only, you need to have a big supply.
Si vai ngai fai un putuan me mo ia ilo se me fai control kan kai sa o ilo history ya mai masang ya diabetes me penga e ila le vai ngai ko ngo ia fai ya wa ngai fai me roke e ile form vai bloody form e umala fesili pe fesili nia tikla kan ka pa fa pe kai ngala pe mai ka pe la la ku ko fo ava pe ola yai onde tikale ai kolos.
Now hand washing is really important. That's the number one way of reducing infection. It's so simple, but many people don't wash their hands properly.
Listen, you can wear gloves.
Yeah.
You have to change your gloves every single moon. Change gloves.
New gloves every time.
Kau kita buat kau suku kau fumar malah kusuy kau kusuy fumar rolling. Oleh simbelo ama kau fumar demi maktiok dia classes biasa le wife ni PC ya lah put dia ya fumar kau makan dengan ngabin.
Fire consultations. Okay miranga mai facility ka kare kau. Ya mabak pula ya ufa kong ngai fai. Tapi aso fua ke usumai maro fala lo ia lava lo solo mama lo fasimoli o fa amalu o me mo pui ngoia le singa me mo kinga ia mama le vai ngo le ka ele ai ta uma pen ngam
One thing that we need to understand about, especially our young ages, tattooing is you actually marking your body, and health and safety is a major thing. You have to understand about your culture, understand about where you're from, because that's a mark of your identity. That's your identity, should show the world who you are.
So some key messages around health and safety when receiving Tatau was do your research, really speak to your family, research your tufunga, and prepare yourself physically, mentally, emotionally.
Kau fa marsia mo ngol fala. Langai e marua ku fala. E marua ku lau fala ngai lo moenga mai ro lo ko ko vevela ya amangkua. Ore sa vai vela sa le la sa ro kingo e mangu ro kingo fiba.
So merale lo o aru mai kula fomo inga ia puipuia Ia ngā lue mano si kufunga e provide the best service for our community.
Ina wasese si ala pese, jaluinga tayo fale alu.